7 realms, and string theory, a unified theory of 10 dimensions. Yogis say that string theory is basically just a mathematical theory of the 7 realms, but from a scientific perspective. This theory studies the physical world and the dimensions that lie deep within it. It uses the idea of strings to explain the tiniest parts of the universe, which are considered the building blocks of everything around us. String theory says that the particles we see in our universe are actually just really small strings vibrating in different ways. When these strings vibrate differently, they create particles with different properties. This theory suggests that there are more dimensions than we can see, 10 or 11 dimensions that we can't experience in our everyday lives, but they have a big impact on how the universe works. Similarly, yogic principles also explain the 7 realms by dividing human consciousness into different dimensions. These realms, like Bhurloka, Bhuvarloka, Swarloka, Maharloka, Janaloka, Tapoloka, and Satyaloka, represent different levels of human existence. This means that both string theory and yogic principles have the same goal: to understand the structure of the universe and the depths of human existence. String theory studies this from a scientific and mathematical perspective, while yogic principles approach it from a spiritual and experiential perspective. Therefore, string theory can be understood as a mathematical theory of the 7 realms from a scientific point of view. According to string theory, the universe has 10 or 11 dimensions, which tries to show that the physical world we see is actually just the surface of these deeper dimensions. Similarly, the yogic perspective says that our consciousness also operates in different dimensions, which are understood as the 7 realms. The 7 realms, Bhurloka, Bhuvarloka, Swarloka, Maharloka, Janaloka, Tapoloka, and Satyaloka, represent the journey of a human from their physical body to ultimate consciousness. Similarly, string theory also explains the structure and rules of the universe at the microscopic level, where different dimensions are interconnected. To understand human existence and the depths of the universe, the theory of dimensions reveals different aspects of the physical and spiritual worlds. Each dimension is also related to different realms of the world, which define different levels of our existence. Here's an explanation of the first to 10th dimensions and the realms associated with them. The first 4 dimensions, the physical world and time, Bhurloka. The first 4 dimensions are the basic aspects of the physical world. The first 3 dimensions are length, width, and height, which define physical structures. The 4th dimension is time. Bhurloka, meaning the earth realm, represents the physical world, where we have physical experiences, the flow of time, happiness, sadness, and struggle. The 5th dimension, the concept of possible worlds. Bhuvarloka, the 5th dimension, highlights the idea of possible worlds where we can see reflections of different worlds. This realm aligns with Bhuvarloka, which is the sky or the atmospheric realm. Here, the influence of time and space is different from the physical world, and experiences are more subtle and ethereal. The 6th dimension, beneath the possible worlds. Swarloka, in the 6th dimension, we can compare all possible universes. Here, the diverse tapestry of existence can be studied. This is related to Swarloka, which is the heavenly realm. In Swarloka, the influence of time and space is diminished, and here, higher knowledge, emotions, and mental consciousness are experienced. The seventh dimension, possible worlds, Maharloka. In the seventh dimension, we can study worlds that started from different initial conditions. Maharloka is the realm of knowledge and spiritual experience, where the influence of time and space is almost non-existent. Here, we can experience higher spiritual consciousness, which provides us with joy and spiritual peace. The eighth dimension, beneath possible universal histories, Janaloka, the eighth dimension, provides the ability to study different universal histories. Janaloka, the realm of knowledge and wisdom, is associated with this dimension. According to string theory, the laws of the physical world, like gravity, time, and space, don't apply when you reach the eighth dimension. This dimension is useful for understanding and studying things beyond our normal experiences. This dimension allows us to compare different possible universal histories, where every possible situation and outcome can be analyzed. Similarly, in Janaloka, material existence, nature, doesn't exist. This means that both theories encourage us to study realities beyond our normal physical experiences. The ninth dimension, comparing all possible universal histories, Tapoloka. In the ninth dimension, all possible universal histories are compared and analyzed. Tapoloka is associated with this dimension, which is the realm of penance. Here, time and space don't exist, and the practice of meditation and spiritual practices helps to enter the depths of the soul. The 10th dimension, all that is possible and imaginable, Satyaloka. In the 10th dimension, all possible and imaginable things are included. Satyaloka is the realm of truth, where only the soul and ultimate truth exist. Here, there is complete emptiness of time and space, and the soul unites with God. Similarities, the existence of dimensions and realms. String theory suggests the existence of 10 or 11 dimensions, which are beyond our physical world, while yogic philosophy recognizes the existence of 7 realms, which are accessible through physical and spiritual journeys. Vibration and consciousness. According to string theory, the particles of the universe are generated from vibrating strings, while in the concept of 7 realms, each realm has a different vibration associated with consciousness and energy. Interconnection of the physical and subtle worlds. Each dimension in string theory connects the universe in an interconnected framework, while yogic principles connect human consciousness to different realms of the universe. Both suggest that the outer universe and inner consciousness are deeply interconnected. From the perspectives of science and spirituality, string theory and the 7 realms provide a unified approach to studying the depths of the universe. This encourages us to reach the underlying truth of the universe and consciousness. While science explains our physical reality through the lens of mathematics and theory, yogic principles help us understand reality through spiritual experience and the expansion of consciousness. The coordination of science and spirituality gives us a holistic view of the universe and inspires us to strive for these two different approaches to complement each other in achieving the complete truth. Conclusion. As yogis say, the theory of dimensions explains the different levels of our physical and spiritual existence. The realms associated with each dimension represent the diverse aspects of our consciousness. By journeying through these dimensions, through meditation, spiritual practices, and knowledge, we can understand the depths of our true existence. Science analyzes this through string theory, which is a mathematical explanation of the laws of the physical world. Yogic principles explain this from a spiritual and metaphysical perspective. Both theories try to explain the same thing but from different angles. One prioritizes scientific and physical facts, while the other shows the journey of spirituality and consciousness. The main objective of string theory and yogic principles is to understand the fundamental structure of the universe, where each level of existence resides in a different dimension. The yogic perspective presents the concept of 7 realms, where our consciousness operates on different levels. By traveling through these realms, the seeker can reach the ultimate truth and the union of the soul with God. Thus, both science and spirituality are in search of the same truth, but arrive at different conclusions based on their perspectives. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel to watch more interesting videos. Thank you.